Drink Celtic salt water. Every morning. Here's why it changes everything. Every morning, your body wakes up thirsty, not just for water, but for minerals, balance, and energy. Now, what if I told you that a simple glass of Celtic salt water could help reset your system, boost your energy, and even calm your mind? Let's talk about how this morning ritual is transforming lives, one sip at a time. The morning ritual. Before you eat, before you check your phone, mix 1/4 teaspoon of Celtic sea salt into a glass of clean water. Drink it slowly. You're not just hydrating, you're sending minerals straight into your cells. It's nature's own electrolyte drink, designed by the ocean itself. 12 benefits for the body and mind. Celtic salt water is more than salt and water. It's a mineral-rich tonic for your body. It helps reduce stress and support detoxification, strengthen muscles and improve skin health, boost brain clarity and digestion, regulate heart rhythm and body temperature, prevent infections and help wounds heal faster. It's like recharging your inner battery, naturally and gently. Why Celtic salt is different. Don't confuse this with ordinary table salt. Celtic salt is hand-harvested and sun-dried, keeping over 80 essential trace minerals that our bodies crave. It's slightly gray, a bit moist, and alive with energy from the sea. Store it in a non-metal container, and you'll preserve its natural charge. Balance is key. Salt alone isn't the whole story. Your body needs potassium to balance it out, around 4 to 5 grams daily. You'll find it in foods like avocados, spinach, beans, and other green vegetables. When sodium and potassium work together, your energy flows smoothly, your heart stays steady, and your body feels grounded. Use the right water. Choose bottled mineral water low in nitrates instead of tap water. Pure water allows these minerals to do their best work, hydrating you from the inside out. Bonus tip: add 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar to your morning salt water for an extra burst of energy and digestive support. It is not about trends or expensive supplements, it is about reconnecting with nature's design. 1 glass each morning. One small change that brings you back into rhythm with the earth. This is Volta Motivations, reminding you that healing begins with awareness, and sometimes with a single sip.